I saw the Lord today. He was more beautiful than words can say. He took my breath away, standing by the bay. In His presence I wanted to stay. He was standing near, I whispered, oh dear. He cried, no more standing in the rear. He pointed this way, said, go forth, don't delay. I saw the Lord today. He was more beautiful than I can say. More powerful, more amazing, more glorious, more kind. He was more beautiful than I can say. Why do you worry about what I've already taken care of? I've made provisions from above, so trust in me, my love is enough. I am your strength, I am your trust. I saw the Lord today. He was more beautiful than I can say. More powerful, more amazing, more glorious, more kind. He was more beautiful than I can say. I saw the Lord today. He was more beautiful than I can say. Standing by the bay, took my breath away. He was more beautiful, more powerful than I can ever say.